Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about accordion tool in jQuery UI. What is accordion tool? Why we require to use this accordion tool in our HTML form? Yes, it is very important. Taking a less space and want to show more information, like a tabs you can prepare and expanding the space within the space. This is the space is here. And see, this is the demo I have prepared for first you to understand about accordion. If I click this section tab, second button, see here, this icon, this area, first one will collapsed and this one will be expanded and this information will be displayed what you want to display. And if I want to hit the section tab 3, this will be collapsed and closed and this will be expanded. See, overall I am showing the information vast three particular text informations at the same place by showing the heading of the things very clearly, the menu items as well. And based on your fixing the sizes of all these, you can set your wish. That is the major advantage of using this accordion pane. This accordion pane will help you to display more and more contents. It may be images, or it may be like a products, or it may be constant text with the segregation of a category wise. You can define it and you can make it and you can customize it. That is the major advantage of using accordion. The jQuery UI is having ready-made functionality of this accordion UI. Now let's see here, very simple, very simple. There is no at all typical. One div tag you have to take for the beginning and end you have to fix it. Within the within the divs inside, you can make it as an inside divs and a h3 for the section segregation. And you have to place the p tag to content or anything which want to display inside the div tag you can. Image or design, anything you wish to display. Now the accordion open main tag, see how simple it is, like a ready-made function it is called, and the accordion for -1, this is the ID, it is called so called with the dot ID with dot accordion function. That method is called of jQuery functionality, like a jQuery UI ready-made functionality. That's it over of this functionality of accordion. I have done nothing. These are the things you know that how to place the like HTTP and paragraph and all. See, we are simply availing the functionality by calling a simple function. See, the ready-made functionality, that's it. If you want to get real-time code, go here, jQueryui.com and click here the accordion. You will get the code all. Now see here, the example, super example, so here it is there. Yes, likewise within the box how much it is designed. And for the view source, you just click the view source here at the bottom and you will be expanded this. You take this copy of the code and you can customize by taking your own local like HTML form. That's it. All the headers, everything will come along with it. If you are having a local customized jQuery UI and these are the files, you can make it as make it as your own local paths. That's it. That's all about the accordion pane. We'll see and we'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.